Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be upgrading my floor mats on my F15 X5. I don't know about you guys, but if you have a newer F series or G series BMW, have you found your floor mat like this? This material here completely just eats away. It's so flimsy. And this part just loses all of its Velcro. And it doesn't stick anymore. This is not the original one from the car. I took it off my E90 just to see if it would help, but it did nothing. There's no way for this to grip. I think their intention was probably to have this type of material grip, but it doesn't work anything like the older E-series cars. So I'm gonna get these replaced. They're really cheap, and I'm gonna compare them to my old E90 and also show you the upgraded mats that I bought. Here's my E90's mat with 190,000 miles on it. I actually stole one of these from it to put in the X5 to see if it would help because it went missing on the X5. So there's only one of these here and it doesn't move, doesn't budge, and the Velcro's still good. I think it has to do with these grips that they put on the back of it, as you can see. So kind of disappointing to see the difference. The older X5s and 3 Series had really thick heavy duty mats that last a long time and they don't move anyways because they have all those grips on the backside. Velcro's in perfect condition. Just kind of demonstrates how the newer ones seem a little bit cheaper. Alright, so here's a mat from the car. You could fold it in half. You could fold it again. You could roll it up into a tiny little ball. Car was like 60K or something. What's going on with that? Fail. That's ridiculous. That's garbage. Sorry, but new F series cars have really cheap floor mats. We'll compare that to the E90 just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is what I went for in terms of an upgrade. Has a nice logo there. The back is rubber and it's got fresh Velcro pads to grip. That looks a heck of a lot better. There's the passenger mat. When you buy this kit, it comes with new Velcro pieces. We'll definitely need those. Let's go install it on the car. So I stuck that in and I use a nickel to turn it. That looks a heck of a lot better. Let's go over to the passenger side now. There it is installed. Looks a heck of a lot better. So here's the passenger side mat from the X5. Here is the pads, Velcro pads, completely missing. Here's the OEM mat for my E90, which has this felt-like grip. It doesn't even need the pads at the bottom, but as you saw, the driver's side did have the circle pads that didn't show any wear. But this is just very stiff. I can't bend it any more than that. You can even hear it. It's reinforced and much stronger. So there's a noticeable difference in the quality of the type of floor mats I seem to be putting in the F series cars. I had an F30 loaner and same story on that. I noticed how thin and cheap the floor mats felt. So anyway, just thought you guys would find this video entertaining. If you have an X5 or a newer 3 Series, they do make better floor mats, the upgraded ones with the rubber reinforcement around the back. I'm going to put a link in the description as to where you can buy a set of those if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing for more content like this. I upload regularly.